To fix a Siemens washing machine that is not filling with water, start by checking the water supply to ensure it is turned on and the hoses are not kinked or blocked. Next, verify that the washing machine is properly plugged in and the power button is functioning correctly. Check the filter at the inlet of the water supply hose for any blockages or debris, and clean or replace it if necessary. Also, inspect the water supply hoses for any signs of damage or leaks, and replace them if needed. If the issue persists, check the washing machine's drain pump filter for any blockages, as a clogged filter can prevent the machine from filling with water. You can usually find the drain pump filter at the bottom of the washing machine, and it may require a screwdriver to access. Another possible cause is a faulty water inlet valve, which can be tested by listening for the sound of water flowing into the machine during the fill cycle. If you do not hear the sound of water flowing, the valve may be faulty and need to be replaced. Finally, check the washing machine's control board and wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion, as this can also prevent the machine from filling with water. If you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if the issue persists after trying these steps, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance repair technician for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Siemens washing machine not filling with water. Remember to always unplug the machine before attempting any repairs, and to consult the user manual or manufacturer's website for specific guidance on your particular model.